All right, today we're diving into a question that has been on a lot of people's minds. How much richer are homeowners compared to renters? I mean, it's a big question, isn't it? Well, let's talk about the facts and what the numbers look like. Did you know that homeowners typically have a hugely higher net worth than renters? Did you know that it's 40 times that of renters? It's true, and the reasons might surprise you. Hey friends, I'm Holly Smith with the Cherry Tree Realty team of Keller Williams. So let's talk about this. All right, first off, when you own a home, you're building equity with each and every mortgage payment. Equity is essentially the difference between what your home is worth and what you owe on it. And as you pay each month, the mortgage amount goes down and that equity grows, and so does your wealth. So a mortgage basically serves as a forced savings account, and eventually you'll own that house free and clear. So with each payment, a homeowner's net worth grows a little bit, which is not the case when someone's paying rent. All right, meanwhile, renters are paying off somebody else's mortgage without any return on investment. That monthly rent check, it's gone forever with nothing for it to show in terms of ownership or equity. Wondering what the current homeownership rate is in the USA today? The numbers show that currently about 34% of Americans rent and 66% own a home. How many homeowners have their home free and clear in America today? That number is about 39%. All right, so secondly, homeowners also enjoy the added benefit of property appreciation. So over time, real estate tends to increase in value. So not only are you building equity through your mortgage payments, but your home's value will rise with the market, further boosting your wealth. So according to the Federal Housing Finance Agency, over the last 32 years, on average in the US, home prices have appreciated by 288%. That's a huge number, right? Did you also know that there are tax advantages to owning a home? Property taxes and mortgage interest are tax deductible. So if you're renting, you won't be able to take advantage of these savings. So do you think that homeownership wins big over time? The numbers sure say it does. Okay, so you might say, hold up, Holly. I'm worried about the current interest rate and I really don't want to make a move while it's high. Well, in that case, you can marry the house and date the rate, meaning you can refinance when rates go down. But in the meantime, you've gone ahead and bought the home that you want before prices have risen. Fannie Mae predicts that by 2025, rates will be back to a low 6% range, and there will be more buyers entering the market as rates fall. So you'll have more competition on your dream home. For every 1% drop in interest rates, 5 million buyers enter the market, according to Seth Bellis with Churchill Mortgage. Once rates start to drop, it's going to be a trade-off for home buyers, rates versus competition. Studies have shown that over the long term, homeowners tend to have significantly higher net worth compared to renters. It's like planting seeds that grow into a financial safety net for the future. In fact, studies show that homeowners they have 40% higher net worth than renters. So, okay, what does that look like in real life? Well, the average household millennial salary is $64,000 according to Social Finance. So then if that's your household salary, as a homeowner, your net worth will average $191,000. And as a renter, your net worth averages about $11,000. That's a $180,000 difference. Just take a minute and think about that. So if you've been on the fence about home ownership, hopefully these facts have shed some light on the potential benefits. But of course, everyone's financial situation is different. There are factors to consider. And when it comes to building wealth though, owning a home can definitely be a powerful tool. All right, so you might be saying, okay, there must be some situations where it's better to rent than buy, right? Yeah, you're right. If you know you're not going to stay in a place for at least 2 years, or if you don't have the time or the desire to maintain a home, then renting is probably going to be the best option for you. That's all for today, folks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more real estate insights. And if you have more questions or are moving to Georgia, give us a shout. We'd love to hear what you're looking for, answer any questions you have, and work with you. Take care, friends. Till next time. See ya.